everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm going to make Reuben sandwiches out of the leftover cornbread that I have. One thing that I really suggest is some really nice rye bread. So I'm using the beefsteak seeded hearty rye bread. And I already have two pieces that I've put in the toaster, and I've buttered one side. So the bottom side isn't buttered, but the top is. And that's the side that I'm going to put some Swiss cheese. And I also would recommend getting a nice Swiss cheese. And these are kind of thick cut slices. And I'm going to put 2 on each piece of bread. And then I'm also going to take the corned beef. And I have taken off most of the fat of the corned beef. And this has been cold. It's just in the fridge. And I'm just going to kind of shave it, or I don't know what you call it, but pull it, like pulled pork, only I'm pulling the, that's my other bread. It was just toasting in the toaster. And you can put as much or as little meat as you want on your sandwich. This is also a good cooking for 2 meal. I'm going to make my husband's extra full. This one's kind of all discombobulated. I see some fat on here. And the oven is preheating to 400, so that's what that sing-song is, telling me that it's preheated and ready to go. I just saw some extra fat on there, and I don't like it at all. My husband doesn't mind it so much, but I don't care for it. So just put as much meat as you want. And he said he only wanted 1 sandwich, so that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to, I've already taken my sauerkraut and gotten almost all of the water out, or the juice out, I don't know what you call it. And I love sauerkraut, so I'm going to maybe put a little extra on mine. And he likes sauerkraut, but I don't know that he likes it as much as I do. And I literally just squeezed this out of the, it came in a bag, so I put it in a strainer over the sink, and then I literally just took my hands and wrung it out. And then you need Thousand Island dressing, so I have some of that here. And again, it's as much or as little of dressing as you want. And then we're going to top it with the lid. And just like any good toast, I'm going to butter it. And this time the butter side is going to go up. might put just a little bit of butter on the other side. Then I'm going to put this in the oven for just about 5 or 6 minutes. I just want the meat to heat up and the cheese to melt and get all yummy. So I'll be back. Okay, so they've been in there for about, I don't know, 7 minutes. I'm going to put one on Dennis's plate and one on my plate, although I will not eat a whole one for sure. But look at all this yum. Oh. I'm gonna put that with the, I know it's kind of burnt, but it's good that way. Okay, let me put this thing over here. And so I know that the meat on his is going up and down, so I'm going to cut it in the middle this way. And then you can serve it with fresh vegetables or chips or whatever. I don't know what he's going to want. He's not going to want vegetables. He's probably going to want some chips. You know what? I'm not sure if it's quite done yet. But that's what it looks like. Delicious. I don't know. I think I'll call it done because it's still warm. And the extra sauerkraut is making it hard to cut. But oh, it looks fabulous too. And I will take a small bite so you guys can see, because I know that you guys like that. Oh my goodness. One of the best Reubens I've ever had. I hope you guys try it, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.